Things you should know before starting an Amazon KDP Kindle Direct Publishing business in 2024. 1. Understanding Amazon KDP, Amazon's self-publishing platform for ebooks and paperbacks. 70% royalty rate for ebooks priced between $2.99 and $9.99. 2. Market analysis. Research popular genres and keywords to increase discoverability. Understand your target audience and competition. 3. Quality content. Ensure your book is well written, edited, and formatted. Use professional cover designs and formatting guidelines. 4. Keywords and categories. Choose relevant keywords for your book's categories and tags. Optimize your book's metadata for better visibility. 5. Pricing and promotion. Set your book's price strategically to maximize sales and revenue. Use promotional tools like Kindle countdown deals and free book promotions. 6. Amazon Marketing Services, AMS. Utilize Amazon's advertising platform to increase visibility and sales. Target specific audiences and keywords with sponsored products and sponsored brands. 7. Book reviews. Encourage readers to leave reviews on your book's Amazon page. Monitor and respond to reviews to improve your book's visibility. 8. Amazon KDP policies. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's content guidelines, policies, and terms. Ensure your book meets Amazon's quality standards. 9. Sales tracking. Monitor your book's sales and analytics through Amazon KDP reports. Adjust your marketing strategy based on performance data. 10. Ongoing learning. Stay up to date with the latest Amazon KDP updates, trends, and best practices. Continuously improve your writing, marketing, and publishing skills.